This is the moment when Spotify Camp Nou is no longer just a construction site. It's starting to look like a world-class stadium again. From the South Diamond glass installation and third-tier interior works, to the rapidly advancing North Goal facade and compression ring, major milestones are being reached across the entire project. Here's everything that's changed since the last update. Preparation of the new playing surface remains in full progress as specialized machinery continues grading and treating the pitch foundation. Surface material is being processed and leveled to create the proper base before the permanent natural grass system is installed. The field now appears more evenly prepared than in previous updates, showing continuous progress as crews refine the foundation and get it ready for the next stage of grass installation. Construction inside the third tier continues with steady finishing work across multiple areas. Crews remain focused on completing structural detailing, sealing concrete joints, and preparing additional sections for future architectural installations. More interior spaces are gradually transitioning from heavy structural work to finishing activities, reflecting steady progress throughout the upper seating level. The overall appearance of the third tier continues to improve with every update. The VIP area continues moving through its enclosure and interior construction phase. Following the completion of the exterior structure, crews are now concentrating on finishing works, service installations, and preparing the spaces for future architectural fit-out. Construction activity remains consistent across several VIP sections, with multiple teams working simultaneously to accelerate interior development. Every update shows the VIP level moving closer to its final configuration. Finishing work inside the first-tier galleries continues to gain momentum. Crews are actively preparing the future hospitality and public circulation areas, while floor leveling progresses using self-leveling compounds ahead of the epoxy coating and final paint finish. Construction of the compression ring continues to move steadily toward the Tribuna section. Crews remain focused on preparing the support structures, organizing lifting operations, and positioning key components ahead of the next steel box installation. Although no major steel lift has taken place in this area yet, continuous preparation work is ensuring the next installation phase can proceed without delay. Construction around the south goal section of the compression ring continues to focus on preparation for the next installation phase. Crews are organizing the work area, positioning support elements, and completing the necessary groundwork before additional steel boxes and radial beam components are installed. These ongoing preparations are ensuring the south goal section is fully ready for the next major structural lift, keeping progress on schedule. The South Diamond facade has entered another major construction phase as curtain wall glazing continues to expand across the structure. Crews are carefully lifting and installing additional glass panels onto the completed aluminum framework, with each new section bringing the diamond closer to its final appearance. At the same time, alignment and sealing work continues to ensure every panel is securely fixed before installation progresses further. Construction across the second cantilever continues to progress at a steady pace as crews focus on structural finishing and area preparation. Work remains concentrated on completing concrete elements, refining structural details, and preparing sections for the next phase of architectural installations. Although activity in this area is progressing at a measured pace, continuous work is gradually moving the second cantilever closer to its final structural configuration and future finishing stages. The first lateral diamond has now entered its curing stage after the recent concrete pour. While the newly completed structure gains strength, temporary supports remain in place before the next phase begins. Once the curing process is complete, crews will begin removing the formwork and temporary shoring before continuing with interior structural work. At the same time, preparations are already underway for the following construction stage, ensuring work can resume immediately once the concrete reaches its required strength. Construction of the central diamond continues to make steady progress as crews advance the installation of the primary structural beams. Work is currently focused on completing the remaining transverse beams before reinforcement steel is installed throughout the structure. With each beam secured into position, the overall framework is becoming more defined, bringing the diamond closer to its next concrete pouring phase. Finishing activities continue around several staircase sections throughout the stadium. Construction teams are carrying out surface repairs, alignment adjustments, and detail improvements while preparing the staircases for their final architectural finish before public access. Additional finishing work is also taking place around the surrounding access areas, ensuring these circulation routes will be ready as interior construction progresses across the stadium. Preparation work for the south ceramic louvers continues across the facade. Although the ceramic panels have not yet been installed, crews remain focused on assembling the steel support structure and adjusting the mounting brackets that will carry the future ceramic cladding. More support sections are now being completed, meaning this area is gradually approaching the stage where ceramic louver installation can finally begin. Construction continues across the elevator and staircase cores, where the reinforced concrete structures are already well established. Crews are advancing enclosure work while preparing additional sections for sandwich panel installation and internal service systems. Visible progress can now be seen across multiple cores simultaneously, as structural work steadily transitions toward the next phase of architectural finishing. Large structural transfer beams continue to be installed above the elevator and staircase cores. These heavy steel members will provide essential support for future temporary structures and the upcoming compression ring works. Ceramic louver installation beneath the north goal overhang is now approaching completion. Workers continue fitting the remaining ceiling panels across the final sections, leaving only a small portion unfinished. The completed areas already showcase the stadium's modern architectural finish, and only a few final installations remain before this section is fully complete. Installation of sandwich panels continues around the north goal service cores as crews steadily enclose additional sections of the structure. These panels are transforming the exposed concrete cores into enclosed service areas while preparing the interiors for future mechanical and finishing works. Progress remains consistent, with more sections being completed during each construction update. Work also continues around the north goal corner, where crews are installing and fine-tuning the steel support structure for the future ceramic facade. Detailed measurements, welding, and alignment work remain underway to guarantee precise positioning before the ceramic louvers are installed. This structural preparation is one of the final key steps before facade installation can begin in this section. The Tribuna stand remains one of the busiest construction zones across the entire project. Crews continue expanding the ceramic ceiling support structure, installing additional brackets, advancing railing works, and assembling temporary support towers for the upcoming compression ring operations. Multiple work fronts remain active simultaneously, allowing structural, architectural, and finishing activities to progress together while keeping steady momentum across this important section of the stadium. Overall construction continues to move forward at a steady pace, with visible progress across the compression ring, diamond structures, interior finishing, and facade installation. As more permanent elements replace temporary construction works, the new Spotify Camp Nou is taking another significant step toward completion with every passing update.